Oh, good morning, Haley. How are you today on this beautiful morning? I buy some brownies. I know you like some brownies with your coffee in the morning at the meetings. We are having a meeting today, aren't we? We can announce who the employee of the month. I know you did the numbers. Are those the numbers? Oh, is that for month? Is that me? Is that me on top right there? That one right there? Is that mine? Come on, you can tell me. Okay, I'm gonna be employee of the month. Enjoy your brownies. Handy. Yes, Handpappy. Yes, Handpappy. What can I do for you? Handy, listen to me. Save your breath, Handpappy. Shut up, you idiot. You can be anything you want in this life. Even employee of the month. I won't let you down, Handpappy. I won't let you down.
All right, let's get this meeting going. Good job, everybody. First meeting of the month, right, Haley?
Yep.
How did we do? Let's see what the numbers look like.
Handson.
Looking good.
Handson gets employee of the month.
Looking good. All right, so we
Handson.
did well with knife sales, and boy, it looks like we had a great month overall. Okay,
Can we
so
finally
good
get
job
to
on that
employee
stuff.
of the month?
Devil Dog, how we doing on sharpening
Devil
and
Dog, you're not even
custom
paying
work?
attention.
Pretty caught up on sharpening. We just got the scales
Come
back
on,
from
employee
Laser
of the
Blade,
month.
Yeah.
Yep, Justin did a good job,
as always.
as always, absolutely.
So all we have now are to send that stuff off for coating.
Cool.
What in
All right, sounds
the
good.
world is he
Alright.
doing?
So today we'll get to announce employee of the month.
Come on, finally, employee of the month. Really feel we're gonna see a River Cats game. Go Cats! I'd like a beer, please. Thank you. It's Dinger. Dinger, what's up, Dinger? Hey, buddy. What's going on? My name's Handson. Oh, wait. Oh, hey, what's going on? Go Cats. Oh, man, I can't believe this. All of the perks of being employee of the month. We got club access up at Rivercat Stadium. Crazy. Can you imagine that? I must be dreaming. Yes, thank you. I knew it. Employee of the month. Yeah. That's it.
Okay. And employee of the month goes to
Box Club
EDC. Yay!
Sales
Congratulations, EDC.
overtime and Tread review.
All right, EDC. Good job, employee of the month. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. Have a good day.